Hey guys. Bye. Hi guys. It's another week. Third week na probably na to sa atong home quarantine. And so we're going out kay magpalit tag supplies. So let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
How are you to find out? Okay, so it's always nice to be outside our home, ng Lungga. Okay, we can see new things, quote unquote new things. Okay, most of the time that's kwarto or sa sulod sa balay the entire time last week. So I'm excited to go out kay mag-grocery. Tara! Alright, down to our last money. So kuyog ta mag-withdraw. Not that say na nakagamay, but igo-igo na lang jud for this week. Anyway, sweldo naman sad. So but withdraw ta gamay and then mangumprat ka. Okay, dali ra kay mga turot ang konsumo, gutom dahil sa tambay balay. Okay, so I'm done withdrawing. So happy ko pasudla kay wa pa nagsuot sa mask gani ha, but right now ato na siyang gisulob. So I won't go far. Ari lang ta sa Rustans mag grocery today kay gamay ra man sad. So tara. Okay, so we're on our way to McDonald's, and what I like about Rustans is very organized tayo sila. Kay di sila magpasud og another customer if walay magawas. So very limited lang jud ang palit. So which is nice kay controlled ang crowd and minimal din ang risk anymore of getting exposure. So ano siya, so we'll be going to McDonald's and palit pa. It's Sunday kay it's been a while So, tara. So we're here. Open ba sila, no? Over the counter. Ayan.
Pwede na pa itong butong mo dito.
Oh. Yeah.
Ano? Ayan. Thank you.
Yeah.
Posto! Kaya posto!
Hello. Available lang Sunday. Kuan. Hello. Hey guys. Bye. Oh, at least nalingaw sila ka rin. So, I'm here to order tulo ka sundae. Ha? Yes. And then kuhan. Burger McDo. Small. Oo. Panalap. Okay, so Kaunted Sunday today. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the order is just paabot na lang siya. Init.
Bye, everything! Bye, everywhere!
Alright guys, so we're done with our groceries and then lingaw tayo ang staff sa McDonald's, so we're happy nga nag-enjoy sad sila sa atong press sunuhay. So muna siya and I'll see you around. Thank you so much for tuning in and meron natong kasikas today. So by the way, diya sa likod bantay mo, naka-barricade ang road. I don't know if tinuod na lang yun nga nag-lockdown dire Guadalupe area. So hopefully okay lang tanan. I think I would agree for the betterment of the general public. So mo lang na siya. So guys, stay at home please para mahuman na tayo. Okay, so kana lang sa jud pasilong sa tagamay. So and I hope okay lang tanan. So thank you so much for tuning in and bye bye.